In this video, we will be comparing the Jasper Art Creator and the most popular Midjourney Art Creator in this video. So as we have known, the most popular app out there is the Midjourney app, but there is a competitor for it which is called the Jasper Art. So Jasper Art also uses the artificial intelligence technology to create an art for you just by entering some commands on your screen. So we have done the review of both the Jasper Art and the Midjourney app. So if you haven't watched those videos, you can find in the description box or in our channel, such that you will get the basics of it, how to operate both tool. Hey guys, my name is Raman and welcome to Webby Digital channel. And in this video, as I've said, we are going to compare these two AI art creator giants. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do it, because we are going to cover each and every tool out there which can help you in your daily work life or digital marketing life. So let's get started. So here I'm going to compare these two tools with the same command on the basis of 4 categories. First category will be character designing, so we will create a character designing from the scratch, and the second will be on the basis of a celebrity, popular person exists somewhere. As we have known, Midjourney create an imaginative art. It doesn't create any replica of any human out there, but we will test that out if it actually does, because I have seen some images in their community center where they have created actual celebrity out there. So we will test that also. The third will be a magical landscape or landscaping for the desktop user, or create a wallpaper or a screensaver out of it. So we will create a landscape. Let's see if how detailed landscape are from the both sides. And the fourth will be animal. So I will create a mythical animal or some portrait of animal, just using my own imagination. Let's see how detailed it can actually gives. So let's get started. So moving forward to the first part, which is the character designing. So in this character designing, I have already written down the 4 commands. If you want to copy those commands, you can find in the description blog where it will redirect the blog. So command here is, let's type out the command. I want AI to create space suit with boots. It should be a futuristic, and yes, it is character designing. I want it to be a cinematic lightning here. Epic fantasy. I want it to be hyper realistic, detailed 8K render. So I want this. I have already written down and scrapped down some commands from the community service, so I just want to create a comparison video out of this. So let me just copy that and type here imagine. Here is my command. So I'm just clicking on enter here and let the Jasper create the art also. So it will take a while to create art for the Midjourney. So it will take a while. I think Jasper is actually very fast. Okay, so here is my output for Jasper here. Okay, I think that's pretty basic for me. Let's see how it turns out. The thing is, Jasper create a very basic art in first time. It doesn't create a detailed art or upscale art like we have in Midjourney. Midjourney creates actually the very detailed, like actually I've done in the professional tools out there. So I think Jasper is also neat in this. Let's see. Okay, I like the second part, but it looks like there's a third leg out here. Okay, I like this one also, like wounded spacesuit, and this and this. Let me just check first and fourth to upscale. Let me do the upscaling of first and fourth. And there's a customization option for the Midjourney which makes it actually very unique, because it gives you upscaling, and it can also give you an option of downscaling. It also helps you to create a version of something. Like there's something you like it and you want to create a version of them, you have an option for the version. And in the Jarvis art, it's actually very basic and straightforward. You will get whatever is typing out there. So let me just create again. Let's see if it creates something different, because I'm not liking it what I already gave. Okay, I love this. I actually love this. So you can just create a variation of each command and unlimited spins out there. So you can create an unlimited art, just click on this create and it will create another version. So it's fine. I think I love this one. I love this. Yes. Okay, it is completed. Okay. Oh, this is also very cool. The detailing of Midjourney is actually at par. There's actually no comparison. I doubt if there's actually a creator out there can match upscaling or detailing of this particular app. Wow, let me just open it. Wow, look at the detailing. Let me just, oh, this also looks cool. So it's not a character designing here. Let me create a make variation of this particular head. So I'm just going with this particular variation, and this is also good, really cool. This is way better. Let me just download that and create a variation. Let's see, Jasper can offer something more. Okay, I think this looks pretty neat. The version 3rd. Let me create an upscaling of that 3rd. Oh no, it's like creating a something, no, prototype or something like that. Let me just create another. Till now I like this one from Jasper Art. Let's create another. Okay, 67% done. Oh yes, I love this. You can make a variation of Jasper Art to create, something which you like. So right now I love this particular art. Let me just download it. But the detailing, I mean, you cannot match the detailing of Midjourney here. It's on another level. Look at that. It hasn't done yet. Oh, it's done. Let me do the upscale to the max. And you have option to upscale to the maximum, so you will see the detailing out of it. It's also pretty neat, but the thing is, it offers to $20 per month, and this Midjourney offers a paid plan of $10 per month. But the thing is, it offers only the 22. You can generate only 250 images, and here you can create an unlimited. I think Jasper is pretty neat, and it's good for something, to create an unlimited art out of it. I know it won't give you the satisfaction like Midjourney does, because the upscaling of this particular app is at par. You cannot match the detailing of this particular app. Let's see, it's only have done 56%. So I'm just selecting the best out of the two, and we will compare the both and we'll rate it. So I need help from you, the best outcome from the both, and let me know which ones you like. Okay, love this. I will go with this. This is also cool, but I will go with this. Let me download it. Okay, so I think I like the Midjourney better because it really looks the hyper realistic. The detailing is awesome. Jasper Art isn't bad either, because the more the variation you create, okay, the more accuracy it actually gives. So I like this particular, but I will give the 4 out of 5 to the Jasper Art on this, 5 out of 5 to Midjourney to this. So let me know in the comments your rating towards the both in the first part. So moving on to the second part, we are going to explore on the basis of a name that is existent already. So I will use the Henry Cavill, the Superman hero. So let me just type that out. Henry Cavill making pizza. I know that's dumb. Portrait. I want it to be a portrait. I want it to be a movie poster, and obviously hyper realistic, making it detail 8K. Let me copy that also, pasting to this. Imagine like that. Okay, so I think, oh nice, this looks mean. I like this. Okay, we can't see Henry Cavill here. Okay, that's something. This one looks cool. Let me just download it. I will be creating a variation of it. Let's create another. I will create a 3 variation of Jasper Art and only 1 variation or upscaling of Midjourney. So yes, Midjourney is also creating photorealistic art of, oh, I haven't entered the photorealistic. Okay, so let's do, where is the pizza? There's no pizza actually. Okay, I wanted to redo it. Let's redo the Midjourney one. I like this actually. I love this. This is the best. It looks like a movie poster. It looks like it's baking a pizza or making a pizza. Let's create another if it can. Okay, so it's not creating anything in this Midjourney app. Look at this, Henry Caesar. That's so cool. Oh, anyways, let me create one more. Okay, so Midjourney is not creating anything pizza related. It's just creating a portrait of Henry Cavill here. So let's see. So I'm giving, oh wow, this is something I like. Yes. Okay, so Midjourney actually failed to include pizza out of in the art, so I will not be creating anything in Midjourney right here. So let's see, maybe there is a conflict in the command I have entered, so pardon me if that's the issue here, but I'm not rating Midjourney here because I'm rating the Jasper Art. It actually does better whenever I create a variation of this, like clicking on the create button, it create a better and better art. So I'm downloading this. So I'm giving a whole 5 to Jasper here, but for existing personality out there, it create an art like that, but it didn't create what I have entered in the command. Maybe there's a conflict in my command which I have entered, so let me know in the description box. So if I want to create let me add it, let me copy and add it command here. Imagine photo realistic. Okay, I have added photorealistic word. Let's see if it can actually create it. Okay, there's still actually no pizzas in our art. So okay, I'm giving 5 out of 5 to Jasper Art because it has created some nice art here, as you can on the screen. Or I'm giving okay, 1 out of it because the portrait it gives is actually amazing. Like you can see in this is actually, I love this part. So that's about it. In the second part, I'm giving more marks to Jasper Art. Jasper wins in this category. If you want to give your opinion, you have a comment box with you. And going to the third part is about the landscape. Let's create a landscape in both AI creator. Let's enter command here. Beautiful magical landscape. I want it to be intricate. I want it to be highly detailed because Jasper fails in the detailing part. Octane render, concept art, smooth. I want it smooth. Let's say 8K photo realistic. I'm entering again into copy and pasting into the Midjourney app. So this is the third category, the landscape. Let's see which one surprises us the most. Oh wow, my expectation was low for the Jasper, but it creates really beautiful outcome here. Out of these 4, I like this part. Oh, this one is good. Yeah, let's just create more. Okay, so Midjourney is creating an landscape here, which looks consists of water, mountains, and some castle out there, right? Okay, wow, this one is so good. I like this one. Okay, it's so darkish out there, right? It's so dark. Let me just create one more landscape. Add mountains, greenery to it. Oh, this one looks cool. Let's see the third variation of it. Oh wow, this one looks cool, right? And this one also. This too. Okay, I'm downloading this. Okay, here's the outcome here. Let me select or upscale one. I'm upscaling the fourth one. Oh, second one here. I'm upscaling one from the above and one from this below. Oh wow, I'm upscaling this one, the first one. The detailing of Midjourney surprises me actually. Looks highly photorealistic. This, look at the water, look at those fog out there, look at the clouds and some castle type figures here. Okay, it's also cool. So I'm just confused between these two because both look so good. Jasper wins out in some, magical part. The magical command, it really took literal. It really took literally. So I am more with the Jasper part, but I'm confused. It's all the upscaling is so good in the Midjourney app. So I will just open this. Is it completed? Okay, 91%. Okay, it's completed. Oh wow, looks so good. I don't know if you can see this, but it actually looks cool. The detailing is, oh wow, this also looks cool. So I'm confused between the two, but the magical keyword or magical beautiful landscape, I go with the Jasper. But let me know in the comments, but I rate both equally in this. So let me know in the comments which one you like better. Okay, moving forward to the fourth and the last. Based on the first category will be the animal. Let's create a dog knight here. Okay, we have created a kneeling cat knight in the previous video of Jasper. Let's see, kneeling dog knight. I want to make a portrait again. What I have, yeah, finely detailed armor, silverish, want it to be silk, dark cinematic lighting, epic fantasy. Just adding it to more details. I want it to be obviously hyper realistic, detailed, 8K. Okay, there's some spelling mistakes here. Great, let's create here, imagine. So this is the final category here. You can play around with it. And for the Jasper part, you need to have an active subscription. Jasper AI is article creator based on the artificial intelligence technology. So we will be creating or uploading videos about it soon. Okay, so Jasper is already here. There's no dog in it, so I'm just creating a create again. I want it to be a dog knight. More power to the dogs. Okay, it's creating some amazing here with Journey. Again, no dog. It's just giving a knight look here. It's giving a fine detail armor, but no dog in it. I wanted dog in it. Oh, it really looks cool. The first one and the second one. Okay, I'm upscaling the first and the second. Again, no dogs here, Jasper. What are you doing? Let me delete kneeling here. It looks like Midjourney winning it in this. Okay, we got the dog, but it looks so funny. Not even aggressive. Let me add the aggressive option or add aggressive here. I don't want dog to smile here. I want dog to fight. Wow, this looks brutal. Oh yes, I got this. This looks so cool. Is it husky? Yeah, it is husky. Okay, I'm downloading this. Let's see the outcome of Midjourney. Oh wow, look at that meme, the detailing, this, look at the mascot here, just wow. I'm taking this one. Let me know which one you like better. I'm giving 5 out of 5 to Midjourney because of the detailing, and here I still give a 4 out of 5 because I have to added some commands to actually bring the outcome. Let me just add more. Let me download it. I will add that later in the screen. I love the detailing of this. Look at the suit, look at the mean look here, look at the mascot, look at that pendant here. Okay, so it's not giving me, so I'm giving a 4 out of 5 to Jasper. It actually gave me what I wanted, but I have to spin it out for 2 or 3 times to get it. So these are the 4 categories. Let me do guys in this particular video, but I rate Midjourney higher than Jasper art, but Jasper wins where you have to name a specific person or a physical object out there to make an art out of it. Like we have done a Wayne Johnson in the past, Henry Cavill in the past, Henry Cavill in this video. So if you want to make everything out of the existing object out there, it works best. The Jasper Midjourney is all about the imagination. Okay, you have to put the imagination out there, and it will create the art based on that imagination. Okay, so I like the Midjourney better out of this as a whole. Which ones you like better, do let me know in the comment box. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do it, because we are going to have so much fun in the future. So if you haven't subscribed, do hit the red button. Let me know your comments, or let me know your reviews in the comment box. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.